Okay, so to do the free form, you have to click on that free form here. And now nothing is available to you. So what you need to do is you need to create the data that it's required. So if you click here on metrics, what you want to look first is, according to the question, they want to know the engagement rate. So I can go and say engagement rate. I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to say import. And you see that the metric, it's showing up here. I still don't have anything on my freeform chart because you need to put this metric somewhere. So I will scroll down here and I'm going to put the metrics onto my values. So once I do that, I can see that I have 88.4. But when I look into the question, and I have super minimized it over here, it says create a freeform analysis in the Explore section. In December 2022, did new visitors have a higher engagement rate than established visitors? So, first of all, let's not forget to change here our customize, and I have to do December 1st, 2022, and this is going to be December 31st, 2022. So apply, make sure I have my date. I was forgetting that. So now I need to go and look for a dimension because they're talking about users. So let's click here and let's look for our dimensions. And if I scroll, I go to users here and I have the new and established one. I'm going to import them. But now, where do I want to have that? I probably don't want to have it in a column, but I want to have it in a row. So let's go here, and on my row, I go the new and establish. And now I have this piece. So I have established. This is the engagement rate, the news, and these are no set. But what else does the question say? It says, did new visitors have a higher engagement rate than the established visitors? Higher average session duration, both or neither? So that means I also need to look for the average sessions duration. So I know that it's going to be another metric, right? So let's click here. And there I have the average sessions, but make sure that engagement rate is not click. Average sessions duration. I will import. Had I read the whole thing, I would probably have done it at the beginning and import all together. But you see how it's blue? So I know that it's not a dimension and I have to put it here on my values. But since I already have the engagement rate here, so let's put it as a column. It's not taking it, so I'm going to put my other here. And now I have here the engagement rate and I have the average sessions duration. So with this, you have the question solved, and I hope this video helps you.